In this video, we are going to discuss about niche research and the product selection. Now, if you want to find the best product for your Shopify, dropshipping store, or e-commerce website, you need two. There are many, but you need at least these two websites that will help you to find the right products for your Shopify store or e-commerce website. Now, one is AliExpress and another is Google Trends. Now, let me start with Google Trends. Before I say anything about all these two websites, let me stress one thing. There are so many gurus out there that are telling that stay away from competition, that you should be finding they say that you should be finding the new products. You don't need new products. You need the products that are selling right now, or that there is a need or there is a market. People do what they do because they know that they are going to profit, to get profit from what they do. Now, one of the websites is Google Trends. So you can search on Google, you can write Google Trends. It will be Google Trends. Here you can say trends.google.com. So I can click here, trends.google.com. I'll be brought to that page. As you can see, it's loading. Here you can search any topic or any product that you want to sell. For example, I'm a demo store here. I'm using webcams as my demo store. So let me write webcams and trying to find out if it's still in demand. If the webcams are still in demand, let me check. Let us search here. So we are using Google Trends to find whether there is still a need or market for webcams. As you can see it here, before that, webcams were not in high demand, but they started gaining momentum in March 15th to March 21. It's where many people started ordering webcams, as you can see it here. So it went that way, and this is now August, but still is gaining momentum. So the webcams are still needed out there. Why people do need webcams? They need for video conferencing, as you can see, due to corona pandemic or this pandemic, many people now are shifting from working from have started working remotely. So they need webcams for video conferencing. They need webcams for video calls. They need webcams for online learning, teaching and learning. So webcams are still in high demand up to this moment. So this is one of the tools that you can use, or websites that you can use to test your waters if what you want to sell is still in demand or not. Another website is AliExpress. This is the fastest way to know whether what you want to sell is still in high demand or not. So for example here, maybe let me use another keywords here. Maybe I want to sell watches. I want to check the watches, but you can't sell every watch that you see here on AliExpress. But you want to find the watches that are highly selling. As I told you that don't be afraid of competition, as what most of the gurus are telling you. Competition is good. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. So I can write maybe watches, or I can write men's watches. But just let me write watches. Let us find out the top selling watches. Now we want to sell the top selling watches and those that have high ratings. The website is loading. So here, as you can see here, the website has given me so many results here, but I want to filter only to be seen only those that has the watches that have high number of sales or orders. So I can select here, sort by orders. So you can search here. You can sort here by best match, by newest, by price. But here I want to search those that are highly selling. So I can select here by orders. Also here you can set price. Maybe if you want to find the search to show you only those that are less than 50 US dollars or less than 10 US dollars, or and the maximum you can set minimum price and the maximum price so that you can get to simplify your research process. So also you can start ship from, they can ship from China, from Russia, or whatever. So you can search here. But here, what is important to me here is orders. But also you can filter, you can sort by free shipping. If you want only those sellers who are selling, who are offering free shipping, you can tick this box and so forth. But for time being, I want only the watches that have high number of sales or orders. So that's why I have chosen the orders. So these products have high number of sales. As you can see here, I've sold up this moment more than 17,000. This one also 17,000. This one 14,000. So these are the watches that are highly selling right now. So if you are, okay, let us check another issue. So it's not only the number of sales, but another thing that I should stress more here is ratings. You should check the ratings here. For example, this one is number one right now. Has more than 17,000 sales. It's number one. But when you check the ratings here, it's average. But for me, I want to go for this kind of watch. Why? Because most of the customers here are not satisfied. So it is 4.5. You need to sell a product that has more than, can be 4.8 and above. So you should sell a product or order a product that has 4.8 ratings and above. So this one, I won't sell it. If you want, don't sell this one because the customers are giving bad reviews. Also, the second product, even if it has so many sales, but majority, most of the customers are not satisfied, and a good number of customers they are not satisfied. So I want to sell this one. So the best watch to sell right now is this one, and it's only 5.2 US dollars, and has a rating of 4.9. This is the best product to sell right now. So you will select this kind of product and sell that kind of product. As you can see it here, uh, has so many sales. So if you want to order it, just click here, buy now, or add it to cart, and then keep on searching other products. So that's the best way to find. So also those who are selling watches, I've already given you the high selling product right now, and with the good ratings, 4.9 is really very good rating for watches. So if you are also in that niche or you would like to start a dropshipping business or e-commerce, to run your own or e-commerce store, start with this watch. As you can see, the rating is 4.9, which is very nice, and has a high number of orders. As you can see, more than 14,000. So there's a lot of sales. Let us check another product. Also, this one can be a good product because it has a rating of 4.8. Another product. This one also is a good product, has 5. So almost all, I can say all of them who bought this kind of product were satisfied with the quality. Also, this one is a good product. This one is not. This one also is a good product to sell. So I'm giving you the golden nut for free. As you can see, this 4.4, this bad product is not such good. And also, this one bad. This one is bad. So let us search another niche. Maybe now we don't want maybe to sell watches anymore. We want to switch maybe to start selling another in another niche. Let me write maybe kitchen tools. Let me search kitchen tools. Searching. So we'll get a lot of results. And also I want to sort by orders. So I want to get first those that are highly selling. Okay. Now you can see the top sellers up to this moment in kitchen niche is like this product, this one, and this one, this one. So the process is the same. Just check the number of orders, but also most important, customers' ratings. What others do say. As you can see here, so many sales also. So I can say, don't sell this one. Start selling maybe this one 4.8. So this is the best product to sell. Another this one because that's good rating. This one not much. Uh, Another in this niche. This one also is a good product to sell. This one is a good product to sell. And this one also is a good product to sell. And this one, so there's so many products that you can get here on AliExpress. Let me give you the last niche. Maybe I want to sell necklaces, necklaces for women. We follow the same process. Let us check the highly selling necklaces for women in this moment. So I can sort by orders. So to simplify the process, just do this. Follow the uh, st- steps that I'm doing here. So as you can see here, this one also has 5.0 ratings. So the quality is good, but the number of orders is not that good. But this one also you can sell it and it's very cheap. It has a rating of 4.8. This one also is a good product to sell, 4.8. This one not much. This one not much. This one is a good one. This one not much, even if it has a lot of orders, but the customers' reviews are bad. This one is a good one also. It's gaining momentum. So that's how you find the winning products for your dropshipping store